Hey guys, what's up today? I just wanted to make a quick video about two ammo holders for the Nerf Knockout that I've recently listed in my Etsy store. As you can see, there are options available for both rival rounds and for the half darts, as people have been brass breaching a lot of their knockouts. It's quite a popular mod, so I figured I'd make options available for both. These sit on the top rail and don't affect the loading process at all, but just allow you to hold a bit of extra ammo. And then, as you could see here, it works with a variety of aftermarket ammo as well as a variety of different types of the half darts. So whatever ammo you are running, you should be able to use one of these no problem. And since this utilizes the top rail of the blaster and you can no longer add an additional optic if you want to, I opted to add a sight that you can use to make the most use out of the space. Installation onto the blaster is incredibly easy. You just simply take your part, put it on the top rail, and then slide it back, and then it's friction fit into place. So as you can see, it doesn't go anywhere and it's held in securely. And then, as mentioned, it doesn't intrude into the breech area, so it shouldn't impede loading. And then to take it off, all you have to do is push it forward, and the only thing is you got to wiggle it a little to get it over the hump right here. I didn't want to remove too much of the rail space, so you just got to wiggle it a little to get it over there. Then you should be able to pull it off. So this maintains a lot of contact with the rail since it is a friction fit part. But I did remove a section on the end for the backside, so putting it on is easy, and then taking it off, you just need to wiggle a little bit. The only other thing you really need to know is that there are two versions of the half dart holder. The one, which I call forward leaning, is the design on the side. It just leans forward and it matches with the angled version. And then the blocky version of the barrel has a backward leaning pattern, is what I've been calling it. And the only difference with that is when you have it facing the correct direction, the pattern leans the opposite direction. So it doesn't affect the performance at all. And then here's just a quick side-by-side comparing the two. As you can see, the patterns are just flipped. That's the only real difference. Just figured I'd offer that since the fronts come in two different patterns. I'm continuing to branch out and develop a lot of new parts for my shop, but I'm going to be mostly focusing on the 3D printed parts section, so expect to see some new parts added every so often as I continue to improve and build some new stuff. As always, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in another video.